right, we got a fish on. We're shooting for a halibut here. Let's see what we got. This is the first drift we've done this morning. Lingcod. Yeah. Right? Might go ahead and probably release him. It's a decent little ling though. There he is, that's a decent ling, not what we're after yet. I'm gonna give this drifting for halibut thing a few more minutes. Fishing in 180 feet of water. Well, Spencer's hooked up right here. See what he's got. So as we're drifting at 1.3, so the drift's picking up a little bit. I've got 2 pounds of lead on there, and what we're doing is just drifting this over this flat here. The structure is to the north of us, and we're kind of in this big gravel salt flat down here. Hoping that halibut are gonna be in here. But as this drift kind of goes, we just let the thing, we want it to be just bouncing bottom. So as it kind of goes, your line's gonna get stretched out. You can see when it hits the bottom there. And we want it kind of hitting on the downs, picking up, hitting down, picking up, hitting down, kind of constant contact with the bottom. Yeah, I got another fish on too. Oh, all right. Yeah, I got another one. That's not a halibut. No, another little ling. Try to grab these guys without hurting them. Just a little guy. Go grow big, buddy. If we get a big ling, then we'll take and just switch over, just get our bottom fish. On an all depth weekend here in Oregon, you cannot keep bottom fish or lingcod with halibut. If you have one on board, you can't have the other, kind of thing. So that's why we are releasing right now, in hopes that we will come across some halibut. But what I can tell you is that if I get a nice 12-13 pound halibut or lingcod, or something in the 20 pound range especially, I'm just gonna switch over and go over by the reef up there where a little better lingcod fishing, get another one to get my limit of lings, and then get some bottom fish really quick. I did bring an extra cooler, and it is legal in Oregon to take your fish in, a limit of fish, and drop them off in the extra cooler, and I could come back out without any bottom fish on board. I could go back to halibut fishing. Oh, that's a fish. Go ahead and deal with this fish. Another ling. That's another keeper, but again, we're not going to keep this guy. We're just going to let him go. So again, it's not what we're after. Nice little keeper. Yeah, I'm trying to let you go there, bud. Yeah. And there he goes. Oh, stop playing dead. I promise you that fish is not dead. He doesn't know he's released yet. There he goes, swimming off now. Let that one go. That guy was 24 inches. He's legal, but I'd like something a little bit bigger than that. All right, we're getting ready for the trip in here. so I didn't get a lot on video today. Pretty slow day. Halfway through it, I thought the camera was about to die. I didn't realize there was like 40% camera left. So anyway, so this is what I ended up with. 5 crab, a lingcod, a quillback here on the end, and then some canaries. Really small grade of fish. Slow fishing today. Probably shouldn't let the lings go that I did, especially that first one. But you know, who knows how the fishing's gonna go. Wanted to hold out for a halibut and ended up giving up and getting some bottom fish. Also, this is how the new setup turned out to be. Obviously you can see it in the video, hopefully. I got a toggle switch for power to this, which turns the lights and everything on. The radio will be connected to this. But I got floodlight, spotlight. I just haven't put stickers on here yet, and I'll have a radio. And then the Garmin is fed directly from the battery. And that's pretty much how she works. That was my first time out with her today with the new setup, and honestly I'm pretty happy with it. I do wish that this was about 2 inches taller. I'd be able to fit a whole lot more in here. I'd be able to fit the whole radio mount instead of having to do one of those command mic deals, but that's okay. It is what it is. I don't have the money to get it fixed or get it changed, so we're just gonna leave it as it is. Everything's wired in. I'm not gonna mess with anything. So, but yeah, it worked out really good. I'm very happy that I had it done. Like I said, the only thing I would change about it is to have it about 2 inches taller, but that's about it. So we go cook these crab up, knock the sides off these fish. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll get out and do some more fishing here soon.